So today's video, we're gonna be talking about how much money do you really need to start reselling. I've made over 13,000, and I'm gonna tell y'all that I started the reselling with probably about $800. I worked a little job, stacked up like 2,000, took me like 2 months. About invested 800 into it, and then I just kept on investing because I kept on making money. So I just kept on investing, and I just kept doubling. Like when I make profit, reinvest, make more, reinvest, make more. And I started learning that you make more profit off different products. Like clothing products, the most profit you can make is probably like $40. On colognes, you can make anywhere from like 50 to 100. But then I started reselling meta glasses and duals. It's probably what really worked for me because I make $100 profit plus off each one that I sell. And I just started doing that because it's like that's what made me the most money. And I really don't resell clothing products anymore except to you guys because you guys don't need it. You should get started right now. I mean, I don't see why people do not get started reselling.